Good morning, everybody. Good start. Welcome to the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. We are doing a quick shop tour this morning. What you're seeing straight ahead is the top star, done with the 120-degree Creative Grids ruler. The Dresden plate, large topper, made with the 15-degree triangle ruler. And one of our patterns, the running around table runner. We have kits on those, lots of fun new projects in the store. It's been a while since we've given you a tour. As you come in, we've got our red, white, and blue set up for 4th of July. The blue and taupe quilt here is a new pattern of ours called Pointed Patches. That's the one that Cheryl did a demonstration at the Sheboygan Guild last month, and a new pattern for us here in the store. The William Morris is still very popular. Lots of fun new bolts of that coming in. We also just got in, and it's going out fast, the Gastleys for Christmas and their travel design by Alexander Henry. We set up a new small display here in the middle. It looks kind of like a mountain of fabric, but what they are is 3-yard bundles, 1 yard each of 3 fabrics, and they work great with a couple projects. There are a series of 3-yard quilt books, 1 yard each of 3 fabrics. The books all have 8 different patterns in them, and they all work with 1 yard of 3 fabrics. The tote bag that you're seeing here in the background is our pocket tote. That is an online video class and pattern for $14.99 on our website, sewingbasket.biz, and it's called the pocket tote. These work out really nice for quick quilts, nice to have in your stash when you need to do something quick and easy, and 1 yard of 3 fabrics works. So sometimes you have just a yard at home and might need a couple things to add on to it. Over here, a new line by Moda that is called, I should know. Good question. Sorry. It is called Bonjour. I don't know how to pronounce it, but there you go. Bonjour du jour. I don't speak French, obviously, but a beautiful line. Penny did one of our basic totes with that line as well. Nice, easy project. That's our favorite tote pattern. All of our patterns, if you're not familiar with them, are designed here at the Sewing Basket. Many of them are designed to use with fat quarter bundles, and they are downloadable online as well. This project is from the book The Joyful Stitcher, and we just did part of the flower here is what you're seeing, and then Susan also did one and turned it into a pillow. And we've had a lot of interest in those. We're going to be probably doing an intro to applique class within the next month or so. If you're interested in that, if you type in the notes field down below, waitlist, we will message you when that class is set up if you're interested. And over on this side, have some of the bee fabric yet. And this quilt is called Ponder. Kits are available on that as well. Belmont Square, we have a few kits of that left. Beautiful quilt. Some new Ginny Buyer in lovely shades of purple and teals. And as we come around, we'll be going past our blender walls, lots and lots of blenders to go with things that you have at home in your stash. And we were busy making some table runners with border prints, so we pulled some of the ones in the store together here, and 1.5 yards makes a 54-inch runner. We have that on video on our YouTube channel and on our Mighty Network, which is play.sewingbasket.biz. And you'll see some of those as we come around here. But a quick look at some fun new wide backs. They're starting to do a lot of different prints in wide back. So it's fun to see what's out there. We've got about 60 here in the shop and another dozen or so coming in shortly. As you know, we sell Brother machines, sell and service those. Kathy just finished a new project for us. This is Hoop Sisters, How Does My Garden Grow? And it is cute as can be. It's an embroidery machine project. The quilting in the background under each fruit or vegetable says the name of the vegetable, tomato, onion. So it's just very cute. Finishes to about 40 by 40. Would also make a great table runner if you wanted to do just part of it. And we have, excuse me, have the CDs in on that as well. We have the big button chairs available also. And as I come around here, we've got some of the Jason Yenter border prints in. You can see the blue and kind of pink colorway there. And I'm going to go up here to the back window. Excuse me. The two runners above the window are those 60-degree runners. And they make just a really nice gift. You get two of them, 2 runner tops out of 1.5 yards. The hot air balloon, Let Your Dreams Take Flight, is a Sue Penn project. To the right is the Marcia Durst panel. We did Something Strange. Hope you can still hear me. There you go. And this one with the big poppy on it is called Celestial Window. Also a kit available. This is a sample of the 3-yard quilts. And we've got in some new Tim Holtz and some modern lines here. Across here, we have a few of the Sue Penn flower panels left. And speaking of panels, I'm going to come around this way. We just got in 3 new ones. This really pretty black and white pumpkin. The gingerbread houses are an ombre. They go from dark at the bottom up to the sky. And then the Christmas tree, real elegant look. So those panels also have some fabrics available that coordinate with them. We did a little bit of a rearrange. We brought our specialty rulers, log cabins, and all the other ones down here. Fat quarters, and then faux leather for the purses, a lot of webbing, zippers, hardware, all of those things. And we're going to go up into what we refer to as the holiday room. Some sale things here on the right, all of our batting. We have a new sweet snowman here that is in flannel, and it's from the Slice of Sunshine pattern. It finishes to 38 by 41. So just a sweet, quick little either wall hanging or quilt. There's also a set of 6 blocks that go with that. I know it's early, but Christmas is coming in. And I just give you a quick walk around here. These are all flannels. And over here, some new gnomes, blenders, sweet line with little chickadees, and small wreaths and coordinating prints. Over here, some Halloween. This bolt and the plaid on the end go with the pumpkin panel that you saw in the other room. Those of you who liked our chickadee panel a few years ago, this is the new version by the same designer and would be really pretty quilted on your embroidery machine or pre-motion quilted as well. Lots of projects. We like to do things a little different sometimes. The Boo pillow was made actually as 3 panels to go onto a hanging rack, and sometimes we just sew them together into a pillow. So it's a fun option instead of hanging it on a rack and having it on a tabletop. More Christmas. This chalkboard print with the truck, the cocoa, and coordinates that go with that. And a quick sneak peek. You see the Grinch there? There is a Grinch panel that we've got that just came in, but I don't have it set up yet. We'll show you that next time. And then we have Steampunk Santa. This is done by QT Fabrics, and the last couple years they did the octopus and undersea, and they had also done a Halloween one a few years ago. So that's the Christmas panel and coordinates to go with that in that steampunk style. And we'll just head through to the middle room. Again, when we rearranged a little bit, when we moved the specialty rulers, we set up a book section for you. Nice place to look for projects, some really nice table runner books, and a few new applique books as well. Rulers for lefties, and then our regular rulers that we stock, both Quilter Select and Creative Grid. Batiks, and some Northwood style fabrics, and some tools, flannel line, a little bit more nature, bikes and deer, and over here some motorcycle fabrics along with a panel. The other side says Born to Ride, and lots of blenders to go with that. Music fabrics, from rock and roll to cute little kids prints to more serious music, and then sports prints and some fun camping fabrics. These are all camping and plaids and a lot of things that work for your summer vacations. Hope I'm not getting you motion sick. Down to the front here, this easy black and white quilt is a new pattern as well. It's simple squares that are set with a colored cornerstone, and the pattern shows you a number of different sizes and basic instructions. Black and white. I showed you When Pigs Fly, I think in the last video. We've got the kids books and a variety of new kids prints in here as well. And over this way also some undersea things, rockets and astronauts, some science with glow-in-the-dark bugs, and over here a line of coordinates from Riley Blake. These have been really fun. They mix in well with any of the bright modern prints with those multicolored dots, and a cute little bug and butterfly print. As we come around, we just made the whole loop in the store. We still have our display set up for our Quilt As You Go Fearless Quilting Challenge that we're doing in our network. Again, our network is called Studio Y. You can download the Mighty Network app and just look for Studio Y and you'll be in. All of our videos, tutorials, free patterns, customer show and tell are all posted there. And here we are back to the front. We look forward to having you visit us soon. Thank you for playing with us this morning.